Whomitmay, this is Bobby D, and check it out. Last night I watched like the first 20 minutes of the opening ceremony for the Brazil Olympic Games, and within those few minutes that I watched, I already see some symbolism. But what I thought was really stuck out in my mind was this Raining Octopuses commercial. The reason why this stuck out in my mind is because Clyde Lewis had an episode not too long ago. Actually, had a couple of episodes within the past, I don't know, 3 or 4 months. I'll try to find those and put the links down in the description below. But he was talking about in those how the octopus is used. It was used in the Avengers movie. It was used, and it's constantly being used to, I guess, symbolize the coming agenda, the New World Order, the Illuminati. You label it however you like. It's essentially the same monster. It's just called different things by different people. All right, so what I wanted to take a look at here, let's get right to it. All right. Whoa, here's the map. Let's go back, shall we? Just a couple of frames. Where's this pointed to? Huh? So we got, is this Ohio? I'm gonna have to do some, I'm gonna back up and try to find out where this is at, right? Because I believe these are gonna be markers for something. Hey, the weather lady's kind of cute, but she's working for the man, so. Oh, what? Was that the Umbrella Company? Does anybody remember Resident Evil? The Umbrella Corporation? What is this? Power outage. Emergencies. Okay, Gator. Alright. I just thought that was strange. Wanted you guys to take a look at it. So, yeah, I did want to remind you to please go over here to, sorry about that. Go over here to the Whomitmay Facebook page. Hit the like button. That's this button with the thumbs up right here. Hit that. Also go over to Whomitmay.com. Take a look at some of the stuff I got going on over there. I do have a tab specifically for help is on the way. Now, if you haven't seen some of my other videos about help is on its way, go check those out as well. Help is on its way is an effort to bring relief to those who are hurt in some way by geoengineering. So go over there, and even if you can't fiscally donate, please go and just spread the word. Just spread the word. Yeah. You can also follow us on Twitter. That would be much appreciated. At Whomitmay on Twitter. Anyway, yeah. Raining octopuses, left and right. Summer of chaos. Appreciate you guys and your time today. Y'all have a good weekend. Peace.